A person takes a loan of rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 8% simple interest with the agreement that he will repay it with interest in 20 equal annual installments, one at the end of every year. How much is his yearly installment? So here a person has taken a loan of rupees 100,000 at 8% simple interest. Now he'll be repaying it with interest in 20 equal installments annually. So what this means is that he has taken this loan for a period of 20 years. So if he was not going to repay it in installments, then at the end of 20 years, basically how much is the amount? So let's find it out. So simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. P is 100,000 multiplied by R, which is 8 multiplied by 20 divided by 100. So this becomes 8 2s are 16 and then 1 2 3 and 4 zeros. So the simple interest is this much. So the amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, which will be equal to 160,000, which is the simple interest, plus the principal, which is 100,000. So this becomes 260,000. So 260,000 rupees. So let's now create a time scale. So let's say this is a period of 20 years. So here this is 20, and at the end of 20 years, if he was not going to pay any installment, he'll be paying back 260,000 rupees. So let's divide this into some years. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and so on till the 20th year. Now instead of paying a lump sum of 260,000 rupees at the end of 20 years, this man decides to pay an equal installment every year. So let's say the installment is X. And so on till the 20th year. Now for the first installment that he is paying at the end of first year, he is avoiding the interest for the remaining 19 years. Similarly, for the second installment, he is avoiding the interest paid on the remaining 18 years, and so on for all the remaining years. Now let's take the 18th year and the 19th year. So here he is also paying an installment of X and X. At the end of 19 years, he is avoiding the interest for 1 year. In other terms, if he has paid back the first installment, then the bank can put this amount into a different account and earn 8% simple interest for the remaining 19 years. So basically X plus X plus X plus X up to 20 times is not equal to 260,000 rupees, but X plus X plus X plus X up to 20 times plus the interest for the 19 years plus the interest for 18 years plus interest for 17 years and so on plus interest of last 1 year is equal to 260,000 rupees. So let's express this in terms of an equation. So let's take the case of first year. So at the end of first year, this man is paying an installment of X rupees and avoiding the interest of the remaining 19 years. So X, which is the installment, plus the interest on the remaining 19 years. So again, PRT by 100. Principal amount is X multiplied by R, which is 8, multiplied by T, which is 19, divided by 100, plus now the second installment. So again the installment is X plus again the interest on X for the remaining 18 years. So X multiplied by 8, which is the rate of interest, multiplied by 18 divided by 100, plus again the third installment. So X plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 17 divided by 100, plus and so on. And at the end, the installment paid at the end of 19 years. So again that is X plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by, so at the end of 19 years, if he's paying an installment of X rupees, he's avoiding the interest for the last 1 year. So 1 divided by 100 plus the last installment, which is X, and there is no avoidance of interest here. This whole expression is equal to 260,000. So this will become, let's open all the brackets. So X plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 19 divided by 100 plus X plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 18 divided by 100 plus X multiplied by 17 multiplied by 8 divided by 100 plus so on plus the 19th here. So X plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 plus X is equal to 260,000. Now here we have X plus X plus X plus X and so on, which is 20 times because there are 20 installments of X rupees each. So if we add X plus X, it becomes 2X plus 1X, it becomes 3X and so on. So all these X's will become 20 times X. So let's do that. So 20 times X plus, now the remaining equations. So X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 19 divided by 100 plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 18 divided by 100 plus X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 17 divided by 100 plus and so on. X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 is equal to 260,000. Now in this expression, if we look at all these, then we can easily say that X multiplied by 8 divided by 100 is common in all of these numbers. So let's take that as common. So 20X plus X multiplied by 8 divided by 100, and then into bracket we'll get 19 plus 18 plus 17 so on plus 1, and this is equal to 260,000. Now let's just take this part and try to solve this. So this is also same as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up till n numbers, and we know that the addition of this expression is equal to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So this here will be equal to n is 19, so 19 multiplied by 19 plus 1, which is 20, divided by 2. So this is equal to 19 multiplied by 20 divided by 2. So our this equation now becomes 20x plus 8x by 100 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 20 divided by 2 is equal to 260000. So now this is in multiplication, so we can cancel this 0 and this 0, and 2 cancels by 2, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1. So this becomes 20x plus 8 multiplied by 19x divided by 10 is equal to 260000. So or 20x plus 8 9s are 72, 7 carry over, 8 1s are 8, plus 7 is 15, so 152x by 10 is equal to 260000, or 20x plus, so 152 divided by 10 is 15.2, x is equal to 260000, or 20 plus 15 is 35.2, x is equal to 260000, or x is equal to 260000 divided by 35.2, which is equal to 7386.36 rupees. So this is the monthly installment. Now let's do a quick analysis on this amount. So we are going to pay 7386.36 for 20 years. So this multiplied by 20. So let's see. So 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, 8 2s are 16, plus 1 17, 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7, 7 2s are 14, and then 1 0, and then 2 decimal points. So this is, so this becomes 147727.2. So in other terms, 147,727.2 rupees. Now our amount of loan was 100,000, and if we didn't pay the monthly installments and decided to pay at the end of 20 years the lump sum amount which was due, we would have had to pay an amount of 260,000. But now, because we are paying a monthly installment and avoiding some interest, we are only paying 147,727 rupees. So in a sense, we are saving this much amount. So let's find this out. So 5 9 9 9, so 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1.